Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to enter promo code on Vistaprint. All right, so first up, just go ahead and go to vistaprint.com and just hit on enter. Wait for the website to load and make sure to sign in. Now, once signed in, just go ahead over to the top right, click on cart, okay? Wait for it to load, and once it loads, as you can see here, at the center of your screen, we have a shop with a promo code. Just apply a promo code to see discounted products as you shop. So just click on this drop down. Now enter your promo code right here. Okay. Okay. Just for example, new 20. Apply. If it works, it will just let you know. As you can see here, it says code applied successfully. If you want to use that promo code, that will only save you 20% on your first order, okay? So you have the promo code. You can now go ahead and go to Vistaprint right here at the top left and continue shopping. All right. As you can see, we have the promo code added, new 20 right here. Maybe when you go ahead and go to these categories, maybe signs and banners, scroll down. As you can see, our promo code has been added as well. And again, this promo code will make you save 20% for your first order. That is it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.